welcome back to my channel. So today I've got just a little mini haul from Pretty Little Thing. It's all beauty products. So yeah, if you fancy watching that, then stay tuned. Okay, so I just love their packaging of their bags. I have to say I love unicorns and mermaids, so the packaging itself is really right up my street. Right, let's have a look. I ordered this a little while ago actually. To be honest, I forgot all about it until the Hermes man knocked on the door just now and I thought, who the hell's that? It's Bank Holiday Monday, what's he working for? Look. It's a bit noisy. I think I'll just get all this stuff out and then you'll be able to actually hear me. I'm going for a bit of a no makeup day today, by the way, so can't really be bothered. So I've just been doing a bit of cleaning and yeah, just thought I'd have a fresh face. Right, so okay, so first up, everything's in little bags. How on earth do I get into it? Oh. Is all that plastic really necessary? Right, so first up, I think most of this is actually Revolution products. Yeah, this is the Strawberry Whip. This is I Heart Revolution Strawberry Whip Pore Blurring Primer with vitamin C and E. I love products with vitamin C in. They just really suit my skin, and yeah, I just really like them. So there's that. It's that one. Quite. Oh, here I go using my teeth again. Just going to have a little sniff. Oh God, I always do that. It doesn't actually smell. Oh no, it does smell a little bit of strawberry. Messed it up already. Far too much on the back of my hand. That actually feels like quite a nice primer. You can see this side looks a lot blurred than this side. I reckon that'll be quite nice actually underneath. I'm not going to test the products on my face today. I'm going to do a separate video for that. But yeah, so there's that one. Then more plastic in this one. Oh yes, I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach Soft Peach Liquid Lipstick. It's very pretty. Reminds me of Too Faced. Stop using your teeth, Claire. This is in the shade Apricot. Nice frosted packaging. Doesn't smell like peach. Ooh, that is a nice colour. Put the lid back on. That is actually a really nice colour. So yeah, I'm going to leave that there. See how long it takes to dry matte. Then in this one, flies just come in the window. I have got my window open, by the way, so if you can hear birds, then that'll be why. I quite like the sound of birds. Not flies though. had a fly in my bedroom the other night, and I tell you what, I think I barely slept because it kept coming in, and I get me in the face, and I hate flies. So I told you I like unicorns and mermaids, but this is the I Heart Revolution Fantasy Lip Topper in the colour Angel. So I thought it's probably, looking at it, going to be a bit too pale to wear on its own, unless you want to go for like a natural look or something. I don't know why I smell everything, what's wrong with me? But I thought it would be quite nice over the top. Yeah, it's like a shimmery, very pale pinky clear. Yeah, you can't even, picks up a little bit on camera. Yeah, I thought it might be quite nice over the top of, to be honest, any colour you could put that over. So that's nice. Oh, cardboard. Lovely. So I'm excited. This one, I actually, every time, I know it's been out a while, but every time I wanted to order it from Revolution, it was out of stock. And when I went to Superdrug, it was out of stock. But it's the Avocado palette. So just trying to get into it. Shh. We have the guinea fowler here. It's just a zoo. Right. Yeah. Just as I expected. Nice mirror as well. Really, really lovely shades in there. Oh, hello, this is my bedroom. Really lovely shades in there. Absolutely stunning. Really, really happy with that. I'm interested in this one here. Oh my god. That is just gorgeous. And this mint colour here, guacamole. Yeah, really pretty. Let's do one more for good measure. Oh, this lime. Oh, shut up. God. That one there. Oh, I'm gonna have to shut the window because yeah, they're driving me insane. Right, window's closed, but they're noisy little buggers, so you might be able to still hear them, but we'll see. Right, so look at that. I just love it. It's like, oh, it's like rubber 3D. Just really cute packaging. So yeah, again, I will try that out on I don't know, one of my next videos. And then lastly, I can't actually remember what's in here. Ah, yes, cardboard with plastic inside. This is the heavily wrapped Iconic setting spray. This comes in two shades. I bought the lighter shade, Water Mist, 120ml. That one, a bit of shake. Oh, look. Oh my days, that's like heaven in a bottle to me. I'm just gonna spray it on just because it's sparkly. Smells amazing. I I have to say, it's, oh my god, it's a really light mist actually. Sometimes I find with you spray them and you're like, oh, you're trying to spray them, but that one's a really nice mist. Yeah, I can see it's giving me like a bit of a shimmery glow. Obviously I've got no makeup on, all I've got on is moisturiser, well, sun cream. So yeah, over makeup, I bet that's lovely. So again, I will use that in one of my next videos as well. And then they also sent me, which is handy for this time of year, a little pouch of suntan lotion. So that's nice. Hawaiian Tropic Aloha Care, SPF 30. Yeah, maybe I'll try that out or something as well. So yeah, brilliant. Just a short and sweet little haul. But yeah, pleased with all of that. Well, I haven't tried it yet, but it looks nice. So yeah, as I say, I will obviously do a video. I'll probably do all those new Revolution products and possibly the Iconic Spray all in one video. Possibly 2 or 3 videos down the line now. But yeah, obviously if you want to be notified when that pops up, please subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, because it helps me out a lot. So yeah, for now, thanks for watching. Bye.